Better focus in modern Malaysian cuisine, be it the flavors or the ingredient sourced around Malaysia. In 2.5 hours, we want the diners to experience or to taste the flavors from Malaysia. Hi, I'm Raymond, chef and the co-owner of Beta. Welcome to Beta. One of the signature dish from here will be the lawas rice, paired with abalone and local caviar from Tanjung Malim. As a Chinese, abalone is considered luxury, so I want to pair something very common or staple like rice with abalone. So for the abalone, we freshly shuck it and we reserve the liver and puree it and sew the abalone together. To finish off the abalone, we will truffle brew it and glaze with soy sauce. This rice is grown by local ethnic group MOMAwater people from Lawas, Sarawak. A bit like a arboro rice, but it's slightly more sticky in terms of the texture. And we finish it with a bit of kaffir lime leaf and butter. For inspiration, I often travel around Malaysia to visit the locals, to visit the local museum. I guess Malaysian food is like a melting pot. There's so many different cultures. I think where I still try to learn as well as a Malaysian. To plate, we garnish the rice with half quinoa, kaffir lime oil, local caviars, and sliced abalone. For me, a moment of clarity is when you know what you want to do and when you have a goal. I like to reflect on the thing that happened during the day and see what I could do better. If the guests enjoy their dinners, then I consider it is a good day.